Camel's just learning how to jump, and she's dancing a jig, too.
Jig. Do the jig, Boo. Do it. Good girl. Crazy Legs. That could be your new name now? Camel Crazy Legs. Yeah. Good one.
Wow. Just started doing it today.
Oh.
She's so proud of
Oh my
herself.
God. This is fun. Good dancing. Good jumping. Oh, oh, good girl. Oh. Babe, supposed to be taping the baby. Not me. Not you.
Well, and then Clark just look all cuddled up.